to any space, always consider the bones of the home just as much as you do the styling inside the space. So this is a gorgeous bedroom, right? But I've taken it to the next level by introducing a gorgeous Hamptons profile door from Hume Doors. I've turned it into an internal cavity slider door to fit with the functionality that was already in the space, and I've topped it off with some gorgeous antique brass door hardware. So that's from the Lock Shop and Trade Co. These are all things you can get yourself direct from suppliers, and they're also things that you can easily have a go at changing out. So if you're wanting to up that character, if you're wanting to up the warmth and the feel in any space, check out the bones of the house, your doors, your door hardware. You'll be blown away at the transformation. Thanks for tuning in. Now, if you loved what you saw in this video, I've popped the link to one of my latest posts below where I go into more detail for you. Enjoy.